Great work so far. Now that we've understood the recruitment process, let's delve into the best practices for each stage. These are like your secret recipes, helping you ace the recruitment process and find the perfect candidates. 1. Job analysis. When analyzing the job role, make sure to understand not just the technical requirements, but also the soft skills needed. Communicate with the hiring manager or the team to get a clear picture of the ideal candidate. It's like creating a detailed sketch before starting a painting. 2. Sourcing candidates. Use a mix of sourcing methods to find candidates. This could include job boards, social media, professional networks, or even employee referrals. Also, consider using recruitment software or applicant tracking systems to streamline the process. It's like using different fishing techniques to catch a variety of fish. 3. Screening and shortlisting. When screening candidates, look beyond the resume. Consider the candidate's potential, cultural fit, and transferable skills. Use structured criteria for shortlisting to ensure fairness and objectivity. It's like using a sieve to separate the wheat from the chaff. 4. Interviewing. Use a mix of interview techniques to assess the candidate. This could include behavioral interviews, technical interviews, or situational interviews. Also, ensure that the interview is a two-way street, giving candidates a chance to ask their questions. It's like having a meaningful conversation, rather than a one-sided interrogation. 5. Selection and offer. When making an offer, ensure that it is competitive and fair. Be transparent about the job role, expectations, and growth opportunities. Also, be prepared to negotiate if needed. It's like making a persuasive sales pitch to the candidate. 6. Onboarding. Make the onboarding process engaging and informative. Introduce the new hire to the team, explain the company culture, and provide necessary training. Also, assign a mentor or buddy to help the new hire settle in. It's like hosting a warm welcome party for the new member. Remember, these best practices are not set in stone, but guidelines to help you navigate the recruitment process. They can be adapted based on the specific needs of the job and the company. So, are you ready to put these best practices into action? Let's do this.